With the market being so volatile, is house flipping gonna be dead? Definitely not. We're still making six-figure profits on most of our projects, but on riskier ones like this one, I may keep an eye out for and not try again like I usually do. Let me take you on a tour and show you what I'm doing differently in this market. At the end of the video, I'm going to share one good thing that came out of this flip. Welcome inside. The living room looks so different now. It's very bright and airy. We had popcorn ceiling and also an ugly, weird track light before that we took out, and with the recessed lights, it really brightens up the space. There was also very dark green carpet on the floor, and now we replaced it with vinyl flooring. Now the natural flooring really complete this modern look. In this market, the first thing I'm doing differently is to stay away from condos and townhomes like this one, because condos and townhomes usually are off the lowest price point in the housing market. And when something happens to the market, the buyers who buy this type of properties are affected the most. They tend to have the least disposable income, and their purchase power can really be affected. So that's why on this property, we actually didn't make any profit. We're just breaking even. So that's the first thing to look out for. In the dining room, we replaced the light with a new chandelier, and then the kitchen is completely new because the cabinets were falling apart. The floors were also broken into pieces. Now we have new slim shaker cabinets and two-tone cabinets, and also new appliances as well. One important change we made was to remove the upper cabinets on this side so that we can have better sight lines to the living room. But it's unfortunate that this hood still has to be here, but still we have a way more open flow. Another thing that I think I could have done differently was the lower cabinets. I wanted to give it more interest, so we had two-tone cabinets, white on the upper and black on the lower. But now I'm seeing it all coming together. I feel like because the kitchen is so tight, the darker lower cabinets could have made it feel even tighter. So maybe lighter cabinets would be a better choice. In the softer market where there's more inventory for buyers to choose from, you really want to make sure that your flip or your home for sale has a good floor plan. So here we remove the upper cabinets and improve the flow. And we want to also make sure that when you do such improvements, you can do it with a reasonable budget. If it's a really weird floor plan and it doesn't flow nicely and you can't really spend a reasonable budget to improve it, then you probably want to pass on that flip. There are only 2 bedrooms in this unit, and this is the first one. We removed the popcorn ceiling, replaced the light fixture, and also repainted the interior and replaced the ugly green carpet with new vinyl floors. But the biggest change happened in this closet. There was the laundry machines in here, and we relocated them into the closet in the hallway because it's really weird to have laundry in a bedroom. Laundry may seem like a small issue, but in a down market, it can be an important selling point. If a buyer is considering 2 units in this same complex, with 1 unit with laundry indoors and another unit without, then this can be the deciding factor. In this primary bedroom, we did the usuals with the popcorn ceiling, the ceiling light, but an important thing was we removed that track light over here that was plugged into the walls because it was a huge safety hazard. In this market, one thing that I'm looking out for is the size of the primary bedroom, because I have other flips where the primary bedroom is on the smaller side and the house is not moving, because they want to make sure that the room where they spend a lot of time in are of decent size and are enjoyable. So make sure you pay attention to the room of the primary bedroom, and hopefully it's not too small. This bathroom used to be so disgusting. I didn't want to step foot inside, but now we've gutted everything and replaced the shower tiles, the vanity. It looks completely new. It's the only bathroom in the house, so it's gotta look good. Now onto the numbers. I purchased this place for around $500,000 and we put $60,000 into the renovation. We were hoping to sell the house for over $700,000, but we ended up only selling it for $660,000. So that only allowed us to break even on this flip, which was a little sad. But the silver lining is we found a nice couple for this property. They were looking for a while and a condo was all they could afford. And they came into the house and really fell in love. And I'm so proud of the work we did on this whole renovation, and I'm very happy that we could make the young couple's dream come true. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.